how many protons and how many neutrons are in the nucleus of a potassium atom, which has the symbol K. If you look on a periodic table, you'll see that potassium has this symbol, and it has two numbers beside it. The smaller number is called the proton number. The proton number, and guess what? It tells us how many protons there are in the nucleus. So we now know that there are 19 protons in this nucleus. Okay. The larger number is known as the nucleon number. The nucleon number. Now, nucleons are inhabitants of the planet Nucleus. In other words, a nucleon is any of the particles inside the nucleus. And what are the particles in a nucleus? Well, there are protons and there are neutrons. So the nucleon number tells us the number of protons and neutrons together. So that equals protons plus neutrons. It's also called the atomic mass, and if you do chemistry, you may well call it the atomic mass rather than the nucleon number. By the way, the proton number is also called the atomic number. The atomic number, just for reference. So how could we work out the number of neutrons in this nucleus of potassium? So let's just see what we know so far. We know that in the nucleus we have 19 protons, and we know in total we have 41 nucleons. So if we did a subtraction, we would be able to find the number of neutrons inside the nucleus. Remember that the electrons are orbiting the outside of this atom. So let's do that subtraction. 1 minus 9 can't do it. Borrow. That means 11 minus 9 is 2. 3 minus 1 is 22. We have 22 neutrons. And there we have it. So in the nucleus of a potassium atom, we have 19 protons, and we have 41 minus 19, which equals 22 neutrons. And you can do that for any atom or any nucleus. To work out the number of neutrons, just subtract the small number from the big number.